Hello everybody, welcome to NotAVlog, where it's a vlog, but it's not. Look at this rabbit. Look, this isn't the point of the video, I just want you to look at it. I'm gonna be quiet now. I'm approaching it. That's why my camera's so jittery, because I'm zoomed in. I just walk in, and first I thought it was like horse poop. Oh, look at that, it's up, it's up. Oh boy. Oh, hey, what's up, Doc? Dude, I'm getting pretty close, look how close I'm getting. Come here, bunny. I'm gonna kind of move over to the side. Oh shoot, there it goes. It's still in there, can you see it? Oh baby, there's a bunny. Honey bunny. Oh. Wait, I'm actually kind of close to this thing. There it goes. Okay, bye bunny. Okay. Hello everybody, welcome to NotAVlog. Wait, I already did the intro. So, in case you're wondering why the title has nothing to do with what's happening right now, it's because I'm on my way to Subway. As you can see, I'm walking down these trails. Gonna go across a couple of cross rocks. Why do I keep saying that? Crosswalks. Gonna go across a couple of crosswalks, and then I'm gonna make my way to Subway. I got $15, and I gotta buy. I'm gonna get a footlong. Gonna get the works. Let's see, a footlong, and then I gotta buy a cookie and some chips for my siblings. So, see you guys in a minute. Ooh, squirrel. Okay, so I just came, like, where the tunnels are. Go watch Walking the Trails video if you want to know what I'm talking about. I took a right, because that's the way to get onto the markets and stuff. See you guys in a bit. Okay, so the Subway is coming, I swear. It's just, oh my gosh. I'm kind of like speed walking here because I only have till 6:30, and it's a really long walk. Like, holy crap, it's long. Okay, that's a long walk. I'm coming up on the Subway now. I just reached the crosswalks. Sir, you're gonna look at my ugly chin for a second? Okay. So I don't think there's an actual crossing. Yeah, no, there's no official sidewalk crossing unless it's up here. Hold up, let me keep walking. I can see it. $15 are still in my pocket. I was kind of worried I was gonna drop it. Oh yeah, turn the camera. Oh yeah, look at my, not even my feet. Yeah, oh sweet, there is somewhere where I can walk. That's actually awesome. Ah, squirrel. Look at that, squirrel. Ah, brrr, brrr. Why are you not scared of me? Run, yes, that's right, run. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna cross the street. Stop. Here we go, boys. Let's hope I don't die tonight. I want to put up a fight so I don't die. Here we go. This car's gonna go. Here I go, boys. So I don't die. I'm gonna get kind of silent for a second because I'm gonna put my hand not in my pocket but down low. Man, I need to redo this pavement. Oh, ma'am, I didn't want mine toasted. Oh. Okay.
Close. The clock somebody in? Close.
Alright, what's the veggie?
Can I just get pickles? And then, like, all the mustards, brown, normal, and honey? Woo.
All the mustard.
Yes, please. That'll be it for the veggies.
Your receipt thing is should have his name on it.
It looks to people.
Okay, now I just need a fountain drink, 2 bags of chips, and a cookie.
And one cookie?
1 cookie, yes.
What kind?
Just chocolate chip. And then I said 2 bags of chips, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Got it. Going to be 15.56.
Oh, I only got 15.
That's okay. I got you.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Oh, you're so nice. This is why I like Subway. Everybody who works here is always nice.
Try to be. Try to be. Have a good day.
Thank you so much.